reviewed by Sky Champion.
Hey guys, Sky Champion here. The new boots finally came in. Thank you, Sedici, for sending them. I won't need these babies anymore. Let's go for a ride on Powamoto. Subscribe today.
Powamoto.
And as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to raw.
Powamoto.
Hey guys, you know something? I've been riding for over 25 years with hundreds of thousands of miles clocked. And you know me, I always rock the best gear.
Where did you get
See,
those?
safety first. There is no other second chances. And with these sport bikes especially, you know, you gotta have good foot controls. It is critical. These new race boots from Sedici are fantastic. And they are a must-buy, backed by Powamoto. Let me tell you the reasons why. Some of the features include ankle crush protection, you know, safety for your bones. In case that bike were to fall over or tip over, you need to protect your ankles. Another awesome feature is that these boots have an amazing inspired race design. I highly recommend them. You'll be looking so cool sliding down the highway. Another nice feature of these boots is they have a nice, easy zipper
Those
pull.
are fantastic.
Yeah, that's right. Open and close them. It's real convenient. You can easily grab them with gloves, on or off. An A+ in my book. Check out the Velcro Closure 2. Simplistic, but beefy, high-density Velcro made to last. Thumbs up, Sedici. And the list goes on. Notice the
cool
front
boots.
and rear venting for free-flowing fresh air to keep you cool, even on a hot day at the beach. Don't forget the frame sliders on the sides of the boot. If I were to go into a corner and slide out, I've got protection on the sides as well. And when I'm shifting and hitting the GP shifter on both top and bottom, boy, does it have a nice cover pad to keep up the
Gorgeous
longevity
colors.
and look of these boots. They look so beautiful. I could sleep with these boots. Nice and comfortable and soft on the inside, guys. Sedici, mwah, great job!
You look
Subscribe today, Powamoto. Oh, and one other thing, guys. The price point on these boots, fantastic. What a savings. All that value for a competitive price. Great job, Sedici.
Where'd you get them? Wait, where'd you get them? Yo, damn, I like those boots. Yo, okay, bro. Yo, where'd you get those from? Hey, man, it's Sedici, Revzilla, Cycle Gear. Oh, yeah. Get us the game. Yeah, my dog.
Premiered and reviewed only on Powamoto. Subscribe today. And if you like this video, check out one of these two other similar videos. Love you guys. We out.